Hi, welcome to AAPI YouTube channel. Today we are doing one more Python program, that is finding a key to open treasure box. There is a treasure box, but we do not have a key to open it. So we need to find it. To find a key, we are writing Python program. It is like a game to find key for this treasure box. So there exist 3 stages in this game. So let me write code first and then I will explain everything whatever I written. So let us start. I'm creating first a variable called path, and in path we have two choices, right and left. So for this path I will create choice, path underscore choice equals to random dot choice. We need to pass path here. So there is no random model, so I will import random model first. Import random. Now this red color will go. So I created first stage as a path, choosing a path, and second after path swim. Let's say wait or swim equals to wait comma swim. So for this also I will create choice. Score choice equals to random dot choice. Here we need to pass a variable wait or swim. So this is for second stage. Third stage is for room. Finding a room where key is available. Room is equal to red, blue, green. Let's say more color, yellow. So this also room underscore choice equals to random dot choice, and here also we pass room variable. So we created successfully variables. Now first stage is going to ask first stage. Let's say let us print first of all welcome statement print welcome to stage 1 to stage 1. To find key, and now input first variable path is equal to input this is the input variable input, and it is going to ask which path do you like to choose, which path do you like to choose. So path may be right or left, right or left. So I will convert it to lower, also lower case. Sometimes user may enter capital letters. So you enter the path. Once you enter the path, you need to check a condition. If path select is not equal to path underscore choice, print you have chosen wrong path, and now you are a meal for evil. Elif so on the condition path select is equals to path underscore choice. So if this is the choice, then it has to print welcome to second stage. Welcome to second stage, and you made it. Next, it has to ask swim choice, swim select variable is equal to, it has to ask input. Do you like to swim? Or wait for some time. Enter swim or wait. And then I will convert it to lowercase. So it is asked. And then if swim underscore select is not equal to this variable, second stage variable. What is the second stage variable? Wait or swim choice is not equal to wait or swim choice. Print you have taken wrong decision. You have taken a wrong decision. Now you are the meal for evil. Elif. So swim underscore wait underscore where swim choice is equals to underscore select. Swim underscore select is equals to wait underscore choice on this one, and then print welcome to stage 3. Welcome to stage 3. Come on, you made it. And you are one step for a key. Here one more variable, it will come now. Room select, room underscore select equals to input select the proper room color to get a key. So colors are what? Red, blue, green, or yellow. So these are the colors. So again, one more if condition. If room underscore select is not equals to, what is the variable? Room underscore choice. Huh? Yeah, room underscore choice is not equal to room underscore choice. Print you had selected wrong room, comma. Now you will become the evil. Now you will become the evil. Why I'm using evil means in it is like finding treasure means evil will be there. Maybe it's fantasy. Elif room underscore select is equals to room underscore choice. Print Reka, you made it. You found proper room to the key, to the key, to the key, to the key. Go and get it. Go and get it. So that's it. We finished writing code and we need to execute this now. Let us execute this code, whether it is working properly or not. First, I will play in cheat manner. I will cheat first of all. First, I will cheat this game. So how I will cheat means I will print here. Print what is this variable? Path underscore choice. I'm going to cheat here. Path underscore choice. And I will print here. Print wait or swim. Wait or swim choice. And here also I will print room underscore choice. So I am knowing before the game, it is like cheating a game. So let me exit. I will play game first by cheating. Run. Which one is welcome to? So it is asking. So left to swim, red, I have choices. Welcome to stage 1 to find a key. Which path do you like to choose? So there is a left. I will choose left. Welcome to second stage. You made it. Do you like to swim or wait for some time? Enter swim or wait. So I will enter swim. Welcome to stage 3. You made it. You made and you are one step far for a key. Select the proper room color to get a key. So what is the color? Red is there. Red. I will select red. Eureka, you made it. You found proper room to the key. Go and get it. So it is like cheating again. So my code is working properly. Let us do some modifications here. I want to add some /n here. So the cursor goes to next line. /n and one more input here. /n. So this time I don't cheat. So let us comment this one. So comment this one and comment this one and comment this one. So this time I'm not going to cheat. I have to test my luck now. So welcome to stage 1. Which path do you like to choose, right or left? I enter right. If it is correct, I am okay. Otherwise, I may lose the game. Welcome to second stage. Yama, I made it. Do you like to swim or wait for some time? I will wait. I will wait for some time. I don't know. My choice is wait or swim. I don't know what computer is generated. You have taken wrong decision. Now you are the meal for evil. So I lost the game. So let us try one more time. My luck. Right. This time I will choose the right. You have chosen wrong path, and now you are. So I lost the game. Now let's play once again. Left. Chosen wrong path. Okay. So this is again right. Lot of fun. Right. I have chosen wrong path. Let us play. Right, PHP. Yeah, I'll come to second stage. I made it. So this time I will wait. You have taken wrong decision. Okay. So this is a simple program for this game, choosing a key. Let me explain everything. So this is a random model I have imported here. And then I created stages. Path is the first stage. Wait or swim is the second stage. Room is a second stage, third stage. So for each, from the list of, it's a list. List is containing right and left. Computer will automatically randomly select right or left based on condition random dot choice. So from random model we are calling choice function. So when you use this random dot choice, it will take argument as a sequence. So what is the sequence here? List. That is path. So that's why I'm passing argument as a path. In a similar way for this variable also, for second stage, one more variable, wait or swim. So that contains choices, wait or swim. And computer has to select randomly pick. So that the game cannot be fixed. Game is going to dynamically change every time. It is going to pick either wait or swim. That's why we are using random dot choice, and we have to pass the argument sequence. And then in a similar way for top stage. So now I'm defining a condition. If this condition is not equal to your path, then you lost the game like that. If it may be equal to. If it is equal, then you are entered into second stage. That's why welcome to second stage here. Yes, here also. If in second stage you have to choose two more options. One of the two options, swim or wait. If you choose wrong, then you lost the game. If you choose right, then you are successfully entered into third stage. Welcome to stage 3 like that. And then it has to ask which room do you want to go, either red, blue, green, randomly. Computer picks randomly red or blue. So for that we are already taken here random dot choice. And next, and third condition also we need to select when if your selection is correct, then Eureka, you made it. You found proper room to the key, or else you had selected wrong room. Now you will become the evil like that. You made it. Let us. This is a simple Python program. There is no difficulty here. Just understand conditions and then understand the model random.choice. From random model, we are using choice function. It will take one argument. Sequence. Sequences are nothing but your list to tuple dictionary like that. That's it. That's it for today. We meet with another program. Bye.